Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new course on learning to seek accreditation from DNR Environmental Management Bureau as Pollution Control Officer. There are ways or there are documentary requirements to be submitted to DNR EMB to secured certificate of accreditation as Pollution Control Officer. Number one is the appointment letter as PCO, again to be submitted to EMB Regional Office. Second, the affidavit of undertaking between the PCO and the managing head. And third, the certificate of employment. So this time we will prepare the second documentary requirement, the affidavit of joint undertaking between the PCO and the managing head. Shown on the screen is the template to prepare the joint affidavit of undertaking. So first to provide is the names of the responsible officer, the name of the managing head, and the PCO. So I will indicate here. First is the name of the managing head. For example, Peter S. Pan. So I will read we, Peter S. Pan of legal age, Filipino, resident of, so this is the resident address of Peter Pan, the managing head of the establishment. For example, Barangay 1, Lipa City, Batangas. I read resident of Barangay 1, Lipa City, Batangas, and the managing head of, so we will provide here the name of the establishment where Peter S. Pan assume the position as managing head. For example, ABC Restaurant. So Peter Pan is the managing head of ABC Restaurant located at, so we will provide here the location of the establishment of the restaurant. So for example, Barangay Tambo, Lipa City, Batangas. So we have provided the name of the managing head, the position, and the name of the establishment in its location. Next, in this affidavit of undertaking, we will provide the name of the PCO. So for example, Juan de la Cruz of legal age, Filipino, a resident of, so we will provide the resident address of the Juan de la Cruz. For example, Barangay 2, Lipa City, Batangas. And the position of Juan de la Cruz, the appointed or designated pollution control officer of same name of establishment. So here we have ABC Restaurant. So I will read again the statement. We, Peter S. Pan, of legal age, Filipino, a resident of Barangay 1, Lipa City, Batangas, and the managing head of ABC Restaurant located at Barangay Tambo, Lipa City, Batangas. And the name of the PCO, Juan de la Cruz, of legal age, Filipino, a resident of Barangay 2, Lipa City, Batangas. And the appointed or designated PCO of ABC Restaurant after being sworn to in accordance with law, do hereby depose and say that. So here are the duties and responsibilities of the PCO. So this is our first page. So you don't need to make changes in the list of the duties and responsibilities because this is based on Section 10 of DOUT 2014-02 or revised guidelines for PCO accreditation. So we will jump to page number 3. So in page number 3, we will provide the name of the managing head, Peter S. Pan, then the name of the PCO, Juan de la Cruz. So all we have to do is print this affidavit and then have this affidavit signed by the managing head, Peter Pan, and the PCO, Juan de la Cruz, and then subject to notary from a law office. So this is the affidavit of undertaking, a 3-page affidavit for signature of the PCO and managing head and shall be duly notarized. So this affidavit of undertaking will be submitted to DNR Environmental Management Bureau through online application system. So next video, we will prepare the third documentary requirements to be submitted to DNR EMB Regional Office to acquire the certificate of accreditation. So thank you very much for your time watching and listening, and God bless us all.